Okay, just left home, and car's been standing idle all day. The outside temperature is indicating 84 Fahrenheit. We've been running for about maybe 5 minutes, and the AC's started blowing hot again. The controls are set to 72 and then synced. As you can see, they're synced here. I think you can see that. And with my digital thermometer, we've got air blowing out of the registers here, reading 101, 107 Fahrenheit. This one's blowing hot, and that's blowing 117. This one's blowing hot. That one's blowing 121, and this one here on the left side is blowing 127, and it's getting hot inside here. The one down here, hard to tell what temperature that is. It's about 123 also. So now the way to fix this is to set the temperature down to minimum. You can see it's going down to 64 low, and the register is starting blowing cold now, and yeah, they're all blowing cold again. So I'm going to leave it like this for about maybe 5 minutes. You can see the temperature here. Dropping 80, 70, 76. Everything's starting to cool down again. 73, 72. This one here. It's getting a bit warm yet. But these ones are definitely, the front ones are definitely blowing cold. Actually, the vent on the windshield isn't blowing at all now. Nothing much coming out of that. These ones are blowing cold. That's blowing cold, and this one's blowing cold. Not particularly cold, but colder. And actually blowing 69. That's going down a little bit. Is 30, dropping down to 65. Now this is a contact thermometer, the sharp point, but it is a thermal pen, calibrated and actually accurate within a half a degree Fahrenheit, I believe. But it's pretty accurate, measuring the room temperature in the cabin now at 79. Or 80. Yeah, the register over there is reading 86. So actually now I've been here for a while, I'm going to actually set the controls back to 72 where it normally runs. And there we are. Well, guess I've got some catching up to do because the room inside the car, the temperature is not bad, 72. Alright, well that's it, another problem, and today's Wednesday,